Today we're going to be making some French toast. Bread hasn't learned French yet, so I'll give it 24 hours. Hey Reggie, how you doing? What the junk is this? This isn't French bread. I can't use this. Spanish? What the pants is this? Forget it, we're just gonna use this. Give it a couple well-calculated slices. Nice. Turn that bread into toast. Perfect. Next, you wanna go ahead and get 1 egg, crack it, and put it in a bowl. What the pants? What is wrong with this egg? First the bread, now the egg. What next? Well, I guess it's a good time to finish off those EB eggs. Instead of being pre-boiled, they look like this junk, but whatever. Add some pocket salt, some crack, mixolardo, butterfly. Dip it, slip it, flip it. I forgot to add milk, so I'm just gonna pour this on here. A little bit of cinnamon, a pinch of pow pow, and you can't go wrong with a cherry. Taste test. Oh wow, you can really taste the cinnamon. It always helps to wash it down with some fat-free syrup. Very healthy.